So welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box, and here I'm facing a new problem in website, and I think that it should discuss with you. The problem is this from the hosting site. See, I'm going to discuss this problem in this session, and will give you the solution how you can get right from this kind of problem. This you can see, there has been a critical error on this website. Learn more about the troubleshoot. If you click here, you can see this is troubleshooting from WordPress. So this is issue from the admin page, php my admin. So if you do not need to and this kind of articles is blah 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 blah, lots of article and FAQ troubleshooting. If you want to read this, you can. I will give you the link in my video description box. Go to the YouTube description box in my video, in this video. So let's go. I'm showing you how you can fix this kind of error. So in this case, I'm using here the Hostinger WordPress hosting, and I'm installing here a WordPress. So if you log into Hostinger WordPress, if you go here to this hosting, and thereafter you can see hosting. See, click here, and here this is manage, and for this website I have found this kind of problem, so I need to fix this. So first of all, I'm going to discuss with you why this problem is occurred. This problem for the plugin installations, critical error from the plugin installations, when you are installing this any kind of plugin, and this plugin have some bugs, and the WordPress cannot detect this kind of bugs. For this time, this kind of problem it will happen. So see, from this page you need to go the file manager. If you are not using Hostinger, you can go to your hosting service provider, and for the admin page you can see this is file manager of any of your service provider, hosting service provider should have this file manager uh, things. And here you can see this database. Don't mess around these two things. You should go to this file manager. So click here and see file manager is open, and here you can see this public underscore HTML. So from here you can see this is WP admin. Don't do anything, and see WP content. So from here click here and see these plugins. Simple. In your case, if you find this kind of error, simply do nothing. Click here and rename like this underscore new, sorry, new. So this is, after that click here rename. I have already tested these things, and I have found this is a very good solution. So I'm going to share in my channel. and this is very knowledgeable. Now you can see rename, click here rename. After that you can found that your page is open like this. Your now close these things, and after that uh, when this your page is open, your page is fixed, all of this fixed. Now you can uh, rename, go to this page and come this page and rename as it is. So see, you rename underscore new. After fix everything, you delete the rename. You can delete this rename portions like this. Sorry, some keyboard error. So new. Now rename. After renaming everything, your problem will be fixed. And go to this page and edit, and after fixation everything is okay in your case, uh, rename it is as it is. Now see, uh, your if you go to your dashboard, you can see this is the plugin is all plugin in your case is deactivated. So now click here and go to this activate and apply activate. So see, this error is coming. So what you need to do, go to this plugin and rename again, rename plugins, rename new. So after that renaming everything, this is new, this troubleshoot. So back, after back you can see this is error, this plugin problem. So plugin file does not exist. So because you rename everything and it cannot uh, understand what plugin you install. So if you click here install plugin, and your plugin is gone. So don't worry, what you need to do, just go to hosting your page. So like this, manage from the file manager, and so rename. And now if you rename this plugins, and again you can see, refresh this page, you can see this plugin is all plugin is activated. So what you need to do, just delete unwanted, delete everything, delete every plugin. If you think this is not appropriate, or error come from this plugin, should error come this from this plugin, you can delete that, that's one or every plugin. So refresh this page. Now I think this problem is solved. So activate other plugin, bulk action, activate, apply. Now see what happened. So now this is should fix, and your problem is solved. So what happen, if you install any kind of GPL plugin, and that the GPL plugin have some error, in that case you can find this kind of error, that's critical error kind of thing. So you do one things, you should rectify the bugs and fix the bugs, and this is the page is opening nicely. You can see this website. This is a very good website, and here you can find some reviews. Please and do this. Please subscribe this channel. So here I'm going to incognito mode and see this everything is right. So everything is okay. uh, so this website is working very nice. There's a some recent post about the gaming uh, laptop or PC. You can find here all electronic products review, everything it's necessary for our daily life or anything fashion related things. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm discussing about a critical WordPress problem. So how to fix this WordPress problem. If you think this is very helpful video, please share this video tutorial, and thank you very much for watching. Till then, bye bye, stay tuned.